married in less than 48 hours, so I gotta take these out. Pretty sure this has some hair in it. Looks like it did. Okay, let me just come to the front because I can't see in those two braids. So one was to cut them, next I have to get them out, and then I have to wash my hair. But this is low-key gonna take some time, so I'm probably gonna watch TV while I'm taking it down because, yeah. And I'm glad I didn't cut them any shorter because, okay, this is my length. And this is the braid. Whoa, I cut that way too close, to be honest. My hair is basically the same length as the braid. Y'all look, you can't see it. Interesting. Okay. To be honest, I really should have already did this because I feel like I'm really crunched for time now. I feel very, very crunched for time. It is Thursday. I don't know what time it is because I don't have my other phone, but it's Thursday. Tomorrow is the wedding rehearsal, and then Saturday is the wedding. So I have to take this out and do a new hairstyle in less than 48 hours. That should be fun. I guess just stay tuned because we gotta get this out and yeah. Okay, so this is the finished result of hair being taken down and detangled. So now I'm about to wash, and I'm using down this recipe tonight. I recommend get you some of this and the conditioner. Now, I'm gonna be honest, my conditioner is basically almost empty, but we're gonna make it able to do so. I'm using the Donna's recipe. It is currently 9:55. My hair blow dry, and then I need to do a new hairstyle because I have approximately like 7 hours. Hopefully I'm done by like 11 o'clock. That's my goal is to be done by 11 o'clock. Yeah, I think I can do that. I feel very confident about being done by 11. So let's see. So the mirror is right in front of me, so I'm probably not gonna be looking at the camera, but, and also don't judge the tape on the blow dryer because my blow dryer heat went out, and y'all, I gotta get this ponytail as straight as possible, so I have to make it do what it do. So I have this old blow dryer, but the attachment only works, so I put the tape on it because I need to be able to grip it. And let's just get right into this because I just feel like my time is so limited. Let me go get my brush because trying to do this without a brush is crazy. Okay, this right here, game changer. Get this brush. If you don't already have a brush like this, get you one. Like, I just used it to brush my hair before I washed it. So I got hair in it, but honey, get you one of these brushes because when I tell you it's a game changer, literally. Game changer. Love it. It does the job. So like, I'm really just gonna tank, like, look at that. No other brush is gonna do that fast. To be honest, I really do not want to put heat on my hair, but it's not any way around it. So I did not come back and record. And I'm basically like halfway done, to be honest. I just started going at it. I was trying to be done by 11, and right now it is 10:41. I'm trying to see what side did everybody get their part on, because I would hate to mold it down to the right and everybody got a left side part. So I don't know. So I'm texting in the group to see what side is they part on. I feel like they have left parts. I don't know. Y'all, look at the names that are being sent in the group right now. Like, get into less than a few hours. Okay, let me hurry up. Nobody's responding yet. So I need to still go to the nail shop and I need to find this deodorant. So if you already tried the new Shea Moisture deodorant, let me know how it worked for you. Because I'm trying to see. The reviews are pretty good. So I'm trying to find the Murray's Wave Grease because that's what people said it was better, but everywhere I went was none. There was not any at all. So I'm having to just make it do what it do. Just didn't want it to curl up. Pretty much got this slicked. Gonna put some more spritz on. Okay, I feel like I need to text somebody else now and just see like what side is your part on, because I just feel like I'm almost done now and I would hate to like be all the way done. Text somebody else. Yeah, I feel like it's looking cute. Please, please, please be on the right. Y'all, I'm about to get this all up right here. Once she says that, I'm basically gonna go in and we gonna swoop this thing. Like swoop, swoop. I really don't want to have it on my face that much. Didn't test back yet, y'all. See.
Well, I ended up putting mine on the wrong doggone side. Mine should have been on the left. I got mine on the, wait, mine is on the left, swoop towards the right. And I should have got it on the right, swoop. Yes, ma'am. I should have got it on the right, swoop to the left. But usually when I wear my wigs, it's on the right side. That's what I wanted. And I couldn't think of it right then. And I was like, dang. Hang on, I could probably show. Well, so I can show you a picture of it. But girl, I got my head wrapped up so doggone tight, it ain't even funny. It is crazy. But, yeah.
So, just found out that the part is supposed to be on this side, y'all. It looks real good. I feel like okay, I should just waited. I should just waited. I can't do nothing. I can't be mad. I should just waited. Okay, so now let's comb this out. I'll be honest, I really don't even wear left part. Y'all, I don't have time to be lollygagging. Just want to come back and let y'all know that I put it on the wrong side. And so now I need to go in and slick it to the other side real quick. And it's 10:59. I basically feel like I kind of would have made my deadline if I already knew what side the part was supposed to go on. It's a bummer, but I'm so thankful that I at least knew in advance I can look cute. I got clothes in the wash. I need to go to the dryer. I wanted to wait until I had a dryer sheet, but I'm not gonna be able to wait. So I need to go put this stuff in there now. Okay, y'all. I only got a few hours, and I feel like I'm trying not to stress because there's no point in stressing. Okay. Now let's get this up and over. I'm brushing because it kind of hurts. Now, only thing is though, I just lost the comb that fast. I have to find a way to get it back slicked where it all goes and blends well, because I feel like it looks like choppy. Okay, so I did the first part of my hair, which was just getting the ponytail down. To be honest, it feels good. I know that it has to like actually sit and dry. Gotta add the ponytail. So I got this hair for $9.99. So hopefully hopefully this suffices. I feel like it'll be. I don't know, y'all. It does not look like it's that much hair, but like, I don't think I need a whole head. Just a ponytail, so hopefully this works. I feel like it will. So now I gotta sew this because I ain't gluing it. I'd rather just sew it. Okay, so finally done. Do not mind the mirror because it is dirty, but I'm in a rush and I'm not gonna clean it right now. But so it's basically done. I have to pick the top part, but I feel like it's not thick enough at the top. But other than that, that's it. Okay.
Even if he could have cut it just to put. Oh, my little belly just hanging out.
Yours.
Right.
Cause you know why we gotta pull our jaws over our stomach. I said, why didn't you tell me that years ago when I was in high school?
Man, we can throw this shit to the instrument.
Oh, instrument.